Hey everybody, Matthew from therighttrader.com back again with another cryptocurrency video. Today we have a very interesting price prediction and analysis on Quant. They're calling it the future of finance today, and they just rebranded their entire website recently, which is pretty cool. Now, this is a coin that you should know has a huge fan base. In fact, today it was trending very high on StockTwits and also #1 trending for business and finance on Twitter. So there's a huge amount of interest in this coin, and keep in mind we are still in a cryptocurrency bear market. Yet if we look at the chart, and we're going to be looking into this in more details in just a second, but we're literally uptrending on Quant. Okay, we are actually now up over 230% since our bottom that we put in, and we have pretty much been uptrending now ever since. Okay, so please keep in mind this is different from the pattern that we've been seeing from most cryptocurrencies, which have been downtrending or even struggling to hold their gains. This is not the case for Quant. We're actually breaking out live as we speak. And I said that we're probably going to be making a run to $150, and thereafter we're probably going to start moving towards $200 plus. So I'm extremely bullish on Quant. I think that this is going to be a top performer. I even think it could kind of lead the crypto market upside as we get more bullish again. And keep in mind the all-time highs are still a bit away here at around right below $500, basically $486, basically the previous all-time high. You know, that's still a 250% move to that area, and of course we could be going much higher than that as we reach the next bull market. Okay, so we're going to be talking about all this stuff. If you enjoy this video, make sure to hit that like button, and let's dive into it. So first off, I wanted to show you this article here. Quant price leads market. Okay, and that can be seen right here. If you hit the last 24 hours, #1 performing coin, outperforming the rest of the market heavily, that's going to be Quant. Okay, now at the 34th market cap spot with a market cap of still under $2 billion, so a huge amount of room to increase. You know, this could easily be a $20 billion coin, which means that it still has absolute 10x potential. It would put the price over $1,000, of course. And you know, it could even go higher than that quite easily, if I'm being honest here. Okay, because what it's working on, and we're going to talk about that looking at the fundamentals, okay, is they're working on blockchain, you know, interoperable ecosystems and connecting that with the real world. Okay, so they're mostly serving banks, enterprises, financial institutions. Some people may or may not like this, but it includes things like CBDCs. This is obviously a market that is multi-trillion dollars in terms of market cap, cross-border payments. So we're seeing some aspects of XRP there as well, and of course XRP itself has been doing quite well, and Quant doesn't have a lawsuit going on with it, so that is kind of an advantage here for Quant. So this is a coin that could really grow into a $20-40 billion coin quite easily, if I'm being honest. Okay, and of course it's always great to have huge social proof, sort of, where it's one of the leading coins in terms of social media activity. That's what I talked about in this beginning of this video with, you know, StockTwits #1 trending, or sorry, very high trending, and literally #1 trending on business and finance on Twitter. So a huge amount of social media interest for this coin. We're of course seeing it pump higher as we speak because of that. And we also have this article here: Quant gains in value daily when many top coins bleed. Okay, now why is this important? Like I said in the beginning of this video, we are still a little bit in a bear market. Okay, yet Quant is actually going against the trend and increasing, actually full-blown breaking out while this is happening. This breakout is not only being confirmed by the actual price movement itself, but also by a huge amount of buying volume as well that can be seen here with these green bars over the last few days. Okay, so steady uptrend. I mean, we've gotten several green days in a row here, and now today we officially broke out above $130. We almost went to 150, about 145, but I think we're very easily going to test 150, and thereafter probably in the next few weeks we're going to be making our way to $200 plus here. Okay, like I said, this is literally a coin that could initiate and lead part of the next bull market. So maybe CBDCs are going to be a big talk on the next bull market, and that's probably been one of the coins that's going to pump the most from that, right? That's going to benefit it the most from that. Now, Quant Network lets blockchain developers launch their multi-DLT apps. on several blockchains at once. Okay, so like I said, they're working a lot on interoperability with many blockchains. Now, another important thing to know here, okay, at launch, Quant burned 9.5 million tokens, and its total token supply, okay, is actually 14.6 million. So they have a very, very low token supply, which means that it's much more scarce. And in fact, this supply is fixed, very much like Bitcoin. Okay, so the amount of supply that you see is not going to increase. From what we know, this is a fixed supply, and that is a pretty big deal, because that is a very small supply. In fact, this is literally a smaller supply than Bitcoin. So seeing this coin over $1,000, maybe even over $2,000 or more eventually, definitely actually quite possible, especially considering the size of what it's working on with CBDCs, etc. Like I said, $20 billion, a full 10x, quite possible. If you want to go even more, say $40-50 billion, I still think extremely possible in the next 2 to 5 years, maybe the next 5 to 10 years for $50 billion plus. But absolutely a coin that could grow into that. It's currently at the 34th market cap spot. I wouldn't be surprised to see this in the top 20 as we head towards the next bull market and in the next bull market as well. Okay, so I'm extremely bullish on Quant, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. And don't forget to check me out on Twitter and also my technical analysis master course to learn more about technical analysis stock trading. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.